Hi everyone, Christy McCammon here. If you're new to my channel, I just spend time talking about issues that I've had with food over the years that other people can struggle with as well: food addiction, food obsession, primarily sugar and flour. I talk about tools to support the freedom from that, how I keep my lines bright, and different recipes and just different parts of my journey. So stay tuned for all of that. In the meantime, today I'm making a simple recipe for cauliflower fried rice. A lot of people think that eating bright lines or no sugar, no flour, and only 3 meals a day can be very complicated or very boring. I have not found that to be the case. Yes, it does take a couple months to really get in a groove, to find your favorite meals, to figure out what's easiest to have on hand, to chop the vegetables. It does take a little time to get in that place, but once you're there, there's not a lot of decisions to be made. It's very simple. I plan my meals out the day before or the morning of. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. This particular recipe is my favorite for lunch or dinner. This particular recipe is a cauliflower fried rice. Fried rice, the traditional fried rice, obviously uses rice, and this just uses the riced cauliflower, which kind of acts like the rice. These are just simple ingredients I can always have on hand, so I can always plan this for a meal. I keep the riced cauliflower in the freezer. You can just buy this from the store, super simple. Shredded carrots, peas, those are the traditional things in a fried rice, so I kind of like it that way. Certainly you could add things that you like as well. And then I cook those vegetables up, and then I just add 2 eggs right in it, and it coats it, and it becomes a nice consistency, just like a traditional fried rice. And then I usually add a chili garlic sauce or soy sauce, or you can use something in place of a soy sauce. So I start with just a little bit of olive oil in the pan, and then I'm going to add the cauliflower and carrots and get those cooked a little bit, and then I add the peas. I'm going to go ahead and add the peas and some chili garlic sauce. This particular sauce is very spicy. It's almost like a sriracha, but there's no sugar in it. So it's simply just chili, garlic, salt, and some seasonings. So it's really good to add some heat and spice if you like that. If you don't, certainly you can leave it out, but it's a great alternative to sriracha that a lot of people have, and I don't. So let me go ahead and add the peas. I already added some of that chili garlic sauce. Simply just warm this through. Now I'm ready to finish it off. Add the eggs. I simply create a spot in the middle, pour in the eggs, do a quick scramble of those. And just kind of let them firm up a little bit. And then I start mixing the vegetables in. And that's how it coats it like a traditional fried rice. Here is the finished product. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead and give it a like. Also, you can subscribe to my channel for upcoming videos like this.